In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Jotform to automatically post to your Facebook fan page. Whether you're managing events, collecting feedback, or simply looking to streamline your social media process, this tutorial is here to simplify your workflow. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to jotform.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll have the option to do so using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the form you would like to automate. Choose the specific form you want to modify from your list of forms. This will ensure you're working on the right one and keep everything organized. Next, you'll find yourself in the Form Builder interface. Direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll notice an orange navigation bar. Click on the Settings tab located within this bar. The page will reload to show a new set of options on the left-hand side. From this side menu, click on Integrations. This is your gateway to connecting your Jotform with other applications and services. Once you're in the Integrations menu, you'll want to find Zapier, which is a service that connects apps and automates tasks. Simply search for Zapier in the search bar, then click on it when it appears. This integration will act as a bridge between Jotform and Facebook, allowing you to set up your automated posts. Following this, you'll find yourself prompted to search for Facebook pages. Type this in, and once it appears, click on it. At this stage, you should see an option that says Use this Zap. Go ahead and click on it. Now, it's time to map out the data. This means you need to align fields from your Jotform submission to those required for a post on Facebook. For instance, if your Jotform collects names and dates, map those fields to the title and date fields in your Facebook post. This ensures that the information shared is exactly how you want it to appear on your Facebook fan page. Finally, once you're happy with the configuration you've set up, the last step is to toggle your Zap on. This will start the automation process. Now, whenever a new submission comes in through your Jotform, it will be automatically posted to your Facebook fan page without you having to lift a finger. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an automated system linking Jotform with your Facebook fan page, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more time-saving tips and tricks.